Alright guys, I'm missing some clips of the video. I was being retarded and deleted them by accident. So, I'm only bringing you part of what I had on the video. So I apologize for that. But it's my boy right here. It's my boy.
What's good?
It's my boy. How was those fireworks?
It was lit, bro.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I accidentally deleted the video that we made in the beginning, so that's all gone.
Oh, so that's why you're remaking it?
Yeah, basically.
well.
I'm trying to remake what we did
In the morning.
in the morning, like at. It's like, it's 10:30 now, and I did the video like around 5.
Well, at least we still got the fireworks.
Yeah, at least we got those. That was the main point of this video, was the fireworks. So as long as we had those, we are good. So yeah, I'm missing like beginning of this video, bro. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm missing the beginning. It's my mom. It's my mom. What's good? You good, boy? You good, bro? Okay, no, apparently not. Okay, so he's playing the PS4 up here, bro. Okay, so anyway.
He has no friends. Oh yes.
I'm missing the beginning of the. I'm such an idiot, bro. I'm such an idiot, bro. I'm such an idiot, bro. I'm putting this this clip in the beginning, and it's sort of like an outro as well. So it's gonna be an intro / outro at the same time. What? This never happened before, right? Well, it just did. We did it for the first time. I had like a little video that we made like around 7, so I'm putting that in there as well. And then I'll put all the fireworks and all that good stuff. I know you wanted to see that though. That's the lit part though. That was the main reason of this video. So calm down, guys. Calm down. Hey, Georgie. What's good, boy?
What, bro?
Hey. What's good, bro? What's good, bro? What's good, bro? Hey, don't leave me hanging, bro. Bro. Don't leave me hanging, bro. Bro, Connor, bro. Don't leave me hanging, bro. I got left hanging, guys. Wow. Such a disappointment in life. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please do. It'd do us a huge honor to give you guys delightful videos. So yeah, I'ma close it with that said. So we'll see you guys when we see Giovanni's like downstairs, bro. But we'll see you guys when we see you guys. Peace, sons. Shut up, my boys. We just got to the place. As you can tell, we're drinking beer. Totally drinking beer, right? No, it's just Kool-Aid, bro. But yeah, we just got up to the place, and it's so boring. Nothing really interesting has happened yet. So the fireworks supposed to be put like on what, 12? Yeah, 12, and it's 7. We're gonna be here forever, aren't we?
Yep.
Someone rolling up to the crib? Someone rolling up to the crib? No, they're not rolling up to the crib. What are you looking at? You look so gay.
No, it's just like
They're really over here like.
that guy's not creepy.
That guy's actually creeping me. He's creeping me out. I'm gonna go hide, man. It's drizzling. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna go hide, bro. That guy's like just creeping around the neighborhood, bro. I'm scared for my life.
Looks like I'm running into the car.
Yeah. When the fireworks go off, we'll show you, my boys, because nothing inside is cool and interesting.
When the beat go off?
Yeah, when the beat go off, it goes off, my boy. It goes off. 3 up in here, bros. Oh, God.
Bro, mine's lit. Mine's lit.
Yeah, it's lit, guys.
Stay away from me, bro.
Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, wait, you're attacking me.
No, you're attacking me. Go. Okay, Mario, gonna kill me.
That mine's done. Did mine's end that fast? Such a disappointment. It's such a disappointment that mine's ended so fast. Why? It's for the vlog. You're on the vlog. When are the actual fireworks gonna get turned on, bro? Hold on, time out. It's for the vlog, bro. Oh, wow. God, such a bright light, bro. Doing it for the vlog. Doing it for the vlog.
There you go.
Doing it for the vlog. Oh god. Hey. Good, bro. Hey. Oh god. Down, bro. Bro, they're on a roll.
Now this is what you call a show.
Yeah.
They're all out there. All of them.
All the guys?
All the guys. That's why we have our phones here, making sure we've got enough.
If your phone dies, bro.
Oh god. Oh god.